ACB knob. Look the ACB knob.
Okay.
All the ACB, there is a mechanical
It
reset.
should be inside. Huh?
It should be inside.
Okay.
If it is outside,
It means-
you can make sure there is some short circuit or overload happen in the
Breaker.
This is the electronic strip units.
Yes.
We can see this is the long time, short time, and instantaneous strip units. LSI protection.
This is
Microprocessor based strip unit. This is the BX20, the trip unit name,
Okay.
and we have long time protection, short time protection, instantaneous protection. Long time in the sense, right now it is set at 0.1. Sorry, 1. Correct? 1.
Yeah.
Your what is the breaker rating? 2500.
Yes.
2500 one is 2500. If you want to reduce settings, you can keep 0.4.
And 4 means 2000 something, right?
No, 4 means 0.4 means around how much? 500. 2500 0.4 how much coming? 1000 ampere. 1000 ampere. 1000 ampere will come. So you can 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.75. You can adjust your settings. Now it is kept it full.
So we have one protection is earth. This, we have low voltage, high voltage protection also.
This protection for transformer.
Both.
if any fault.
Both. If any earth fault happen, this is called a restricted earth fault. It will protect from the transformer to the LV incoming side.
Okay.
Any earth fault happen on this side, it won't act.
Okay.
Okay, if you have protection in your panel, it will activate. There is no earth fault protection, but
Okay.
if any earth fault happen in the transformer to the LV incoming side, it will operate and it will trip your HT breaker, upstream breaker.
HT
So
breaker.
then you have, that's what I'm telling. If any power supply fail, you have to come and look first the voltmeter.
Okay.
If the voltage is fine, okay.
Okay.
You are happy, okay, your HT is not tripped.
So we
Yeah.
have incoming here.
Then you have to look where it is problem. Check, this knob is maybe out. Then you will came to know that based on the indication. This indication will blink.
If there is anything
Any fault is there?
active from this, it will be shown.
that indication will blink. Then you
No,
can.
I have question about that safety, breaker safety. We have a low voltage, high voltage safety. This, if there is high
No,
voltage,
this
on
is the
your
current
breakers-
protection.
Ah.
This PXR20 is the current protection only.
Only current.
Current protection. Okay. So this is overload, short circuit, or let's say so short circuit means the current will be in the K rating, like not
Yeah.
ampere size, correct?
Okay.
It will go K, 10,000, 20,000.
20,000.
So you can, if something short circuit on the cable side, you can see that maybe it will trip in the instantaneous protection.
Okay.
If it is something you low, let's say you kept it say 0.4 setting.
Short and long, short and instant.
Instantaneous.
Okay.
If your settings is, let's say you kept it 0.4. In the future, your load may be increasing maybe 1000 or 1500. So at that time, maybe in the summer time, the load automatically will go. So it will trip. Then you can see, okay, it tripped. You got it tripped due to the breaker protection. Then you can see which protection activated. Long. Then you can adjust the settings based on your load. Okay. And second thing, when the power failure, you can see there is no voltage. Then you have to know it's tripped in HT. Then you can come and see the flag is down.
So there.
Time. Okay, now usually it's happening. So maybe after 4 or 5 it will happen. Whatever something will trip, then Karama will come. It's tripped. Then they have to find someone who is the authorized dealer. Like I can test anyone authorized by Karama, license
Yeah,
holder.
yeah.
Then you have to call. They have to negotiate the price. That will happen.
That will
It will take
happen.
time.
Yeah.
What the changes will be here? The flag.
Don't touch anything. Okay, changes means the flag will come down. Then you can see the red.
Red will
Red.
be this.
Okay. Once it's reset, once it's okay, when Karama is came and they sometimes depends on the engineer, they will agree. Depends. You tested the system and consume energies. Make sure to reset the flag.
Flag net.
Otherwise, again it will give you the indication.
Indication.
Same thing. If something operated here, you will came to know the which protection is operated.
So it will come out. You have to
then
reset
you have to
it.
reset,
Okay.
then charge it and close it. And make sure you have to reset through this button.
Small button.
Yeah, if it is not reset also it will work. But this is you have to reset.
Okay.
Without resetting this knob, it won't work. But if you are not resetting this place, okay, you can switch on. But again, it will give you the mal indications here,
Ah.
false indications.
So we need to reset this also.
Okay.
From here. Okay.
Then this is a multifunction meter. You can get all the details here: voltage, current, power, and the 3 ammeter you have here, and 3-phase control the humidity.
Okay.
If humidity is high,
Okay,
it's set
heater.
at 60%. If the humidity is going more than 60, the higher temperature will.
Heater will on?
Yeah,
Heater indication.
Okay.
not indication. The heater will.
Heater will on
It
automatically.
will maintain the temperature, and this is your PFR. Okay. Earth fault. This one voltage sensing relay. This all the activities is based on this. Screwdriver minus.
try first.
Okay. This is the voltage sensing relay. This you have over voltage, under voltage, phase failure, say phase sequence. Okay. When this relay is giving the under voltage signals, what will happen? That if you are in automatic mode, the generator will start.
Okay.
Okay.
Any voltage failure.
Yeah, voltage fluctuation or under voltage or phase failure, phase sequence problem, anything.
So this one directly command giving to the generator.
No, this is only the two
ATS. Give it to ATS.
There is two contact. It's will wire to the generator side. If the relay is giving the contact to the generator, it will start. Okay. And one more thing. Sometimes what will happen from the Karama that there might be high fluctuation. Within fraction of seconds.
Maybe
Fraction of second, the high voltage will come and go. That time what will happen? Everything will disturb immediately. Okay, one more thing you have to, because in experience, you have to come and look this indication also.
Okay, what should be the indication?
This is a healthy indication. Okay, if the indication is showing something empty, that means something fused or something blown or there is no voltage.
Okay.
If the indication is showing something red, you can say there is something. You have to remove the fuse and check. Which you can go the drawing. This is the F2. This is the fuse. 1CF3. Okay. You can check the fuse and check the continuity. The fuse is perfect. That means something your incoming voltage somewhere it's problem.
Okay.
Might be the fluctuation comes. It may stuck. There is a chance. The high fluctuation comes. Then maybe the relay will stuck.
Stuck. Okay.
So you just come and reset.
Just take fuse in or out.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
in and out. Don't do now because it will start generator and it will cut off. Make sure.
No, we
If
cannot.
anything play, make sure it's in manual.
Yeah.
Then reset it.
Okay.
Then you can keep in auto.
Back to auto. Yeah, because if it is fluctuation and everything is stuck.
Normal fluctuation or
yeah.
fluctuation or under voltage or voltage. Sometimes the sudden fluctuation will come. It's happening everywhere.
Oh.
Okay. So sometimes generator will start. Sometimes the sudden fluctuation will come and it immediately it will clear.
Clear. Okay. Got it.
So next thing is this is the switch and you can see this switch. You have manual and auto. This is DG on and off. This is AHS test. This function will work only when you are in manual. Let's say you are here. You want to do something. Your generator will be always in auto, correct? Generator will be always in auto. You are here. You are keeping your system in manual.
Okay. So right
so you
now.
want the immediately power something gone. You want to run the generator. Just turn it on.
So right now I can start the generator because it's manual. I can start.
Manual. You can start, but nothing will happen. The voltage will come and
Just voltage will be here.
will be here.
Okay.
If you want to run like this, you just keep it in manual. Run the generator.
To make sure I want to be safe before I do the changeover, I will make it.
Make sure
yeah.
you can okay. If the voltage is reached, you can check the voltage on the voltmeter. Here.
Yes.
Okay. Then voltage is healthy. You do one thing. Switch off the coupler.
Yes.
And switch off the karama. And then you transfer the load to manually.
Manually.
Or you are not auto. You are not auto. Okay. You are not auto. Do you want to test the automatic changeover test?
Yes.
test.
Yes.
Okay. Put it on the on load. Okay. On load.
During power
Not
No. It's test. Auto test.
If you want to check the generator, put in the test. What will happen? The coupler will open. Generator will start. It will close the
Breakers.
But in this condition, there is no karama failure. Right?
Yes.
Because
power also is there.
yeah, what will happen? On load, when you put the on load, the coupler will open. So this is already feeding the power because karama is still there.
Okay. It's same like situation before like manual. If you put manual, the power is there.
If you manual, you do one thing. Put the manual, run the generator, open only the coupler. Let it run. No problem.
Let it.
You can close this one.
Close this.
Same thing, auto condition. If it is on load, keep the on load test, it will open, this will close. So this is feeding the emergency power, this is feeding the normal power.
Normal power.
So generator will feed this on.
This
Yes, because this will be trip. Trip means cut from this.
But
auto.
make sure all the activity we need that
Battery.
because it's operating in the 30 volts.
Okay.
Here, see the current is coming.
Okay. Right now it's 136.
Yeah, either
line 1, line 2.
Display will come only the ampere is above 100 ampere. Right?
If it is less than
100, it will be
It
not
won't
show.
show
okay.
because it's self-forward.
Okay.
14, 34, 54.
I think this one, maybe
24.
mark there. 3, 3.
3 mark there, mark 3.
Okay,
ICF 5, 6,
32.
7.
Yeah, same. 12A, 32A, 52A, same. You
Okay.
can see the ferrule now.
Okay.
It's already marked.
So they already marked.
Marked.
So we have to remove this during
Any of the fuse, if you want to test, if you
Test.
remove any of the fuse,
Okay.
then you can see the red indication. The time, but coupler will open. ACB breaker uses no position.
Okay, they mention here 11 kV switchgear room, Karama MB room.
MB rooms.
What is this?
This something is feeding to MB room. It will only give switch room.
Directly from MB room.
You are going some supply to the MB room.
Okay. So this,
And this is, and you can see there is a setting same as this is L and I. You can see there is L, S, I, long or short instantaneous.
yes, yes.
Here you can see L and I, long and instantaneous.
Instant.
Instantaneous. Let's say this is how many.
Instant means you want to
Immediate.
trip immediately or long time. You need little bit delay.
If long means, let's say, if I am testing some breaker, you can see the breaker might be testing based on my selection around 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. Depends on the ground. If I am going in the instantaneous phase, it will trip in milliseconds.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. Instant means immediately trip.
Yeah.
Long time means you have give some allowance time to sometime it's.
That everything will be defined based on your graph and your ampere.
Okay. Like ELCB. It's
Not
certain.
ELCB.
Huh?
ELCB is giving the legal. Let's say this is 80 ampere breaker.
Okay.
160 ampere breaker. You are setting it full. Let's say it's taking maybe 200 ampere.
Okay.
It will drop maybe after one day or 2 days, 3 days.
Okay.
If it is taking 3 times or 4 times of the current, let's say it's taking 300 or 400 ampere, it will maybe after 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay.
Instead of this is taking 1000 ampere, it will take maybe 150 millisecond, 200 millisecond. If it is
Okay.
taking 10,000 K with short circuit, it will trip 20 milliseconds, 30 minutes.
20 milliseconds. Okay. Got it.
This is the capacitor bank. You know what is the reason for the capacitor bank? It's for the improving the power factor. So what will happen improving the power factor? Basically, you have to maintain the 0.9. As per the Karama standard, you have to maintain the 0.9. If it is go down, what will happen for them? It will be big loss because like transmission loss. If the less power factor, the system will pull out the more current from the systems, their system. So
Energy loss. Okay.
everything loss will happen. So that's why they are insisting to keep the capacitor
To
bank.
avoid the energy loss, they are keeping capacitor
transmission
bank
loss.
as a center.
So you have to maintain minimum 0.9. So we usually before that I am setting say 0.95, 96, and after 5 or 6 years contact the company is calling, no, it's something happened, abnormal behavior, something heating. So after that what will happen, we are set it down as per the minimum requirement. So maybe in the future if the current is going maybe 1000 ampere.
As per Karama also 0.9 is the
Requirement. We can say 0.9, 0.99, whatever, but we will keep the as per Karama requirement. Now it will not work. When the set level goes beyond the actual value, then the requirement is based on the minimum capacity. See, let's say now it's only 13 kVA or 15 kVA requirement, but we have minimum maybe here 25 kVA. So when the system is reaching 25 kVA plus our set value is going down. Actual value is going down to our set value. Then it will start acting. Now you can see there is a alarm overcompensation. Overcompensation means it's over. The system is telling it's over. For me it's over because my set is 0.9 but we have more than this thing.
more than capacity.
It's inductive. It's okay. Sometimes you can see it's a capacitive. Then means you are connected some UPS load, some electronics like this. It will